Spectacular. Here we are at the Miami School of Flower Design in our fall cluster and zone bouquets. Tilt this one a little more that way, right there. How difficult were these? What's your name?
My name is Liz.
And you're from?
Miami.
Miami. And you are?
I'm Jennifer from Fort Lauderdale.
Did you come all the way here for classes?
Yes.
Every night? No. That's like an hour, 45 minutes, an hour?
30 minutes.
How hard was this one to do? They're spectacular. How hard was it?
It was easy.
Simple.
Look at this. Jennifer's a bit of a wild woman. You can tell by she's shaking her head. Yes, I am. You can tell by her arrangement. It's got a little wildness to it. Tell me what surprises you most about flower class.
How simple you make it seem.
How simple I make it seem. Yes,
Yeah.
it's easy if you're taught properly. That is really pretty. Oh, I love that. That's a perfect design for the neighbor's anniversary. Honey, I love you. Happy 3rd anniversary. Or thinking of you. It's a Tuesday. Sending it off to the office. It's perfect for fall for your table. That is really pretty. I'm going to get a close up. That is kale in the middle, mini hydrangeas, burnt orange roses, carnations, which you know people hate, and chocolate Queen Anne's lace. And what did I say is the retail on that about?
85?
65. It'd be a almost a fall bridesmaid's bouquet. What did you find surprisingly or interesting about flower school so far?
I love it. It's exciting.
I love it. It's exciting. That's good.
I like
It has been exciting 2 days. We've done some really spectacular work. Thank you, ladies. Keep blooming. Over here, let's see. Point them into the camera. Our 2 design duo, get together. Right at my camera.
Like that?
Yes, like that. Point it. Right there. Wow. Wow. Ooh la la. How hard was this to do, ladies?
You see, a little easy.
A little practice.
With the right practice, I think you can get it.
Point this right like that.
Okay.
Full on. Beautiful. Lovely fall. You had signed up for 2 days and decided to stay on the rest of the week.
Correct.
And you are related? Or,
Yes. She's my aunt.
And you plan on opening a shop of some kind?
Maybe in the
I think
They don't know. They're very good. They're a hell of a lot better than I was at the second day. This is only their second day. This is me on a good day 5 years after I started flower designing. I don't know how they get so good so quick. What surprised you about flower design school? Point it.
Looks
Like
pretty.
that.
If you use a
What?
surprisingly,
Anything?
yeah.
How good you're doing.
So hard.
What?
So hard,
but it's very easy.
It's very easy?
Yes.
And where are you from?
Lake Worth, Florida. So
Lake
we
Worth?
drive about an hour and 30 minutes to get here.
Oh my God, they drive an hour, 30 minutes just to get here.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to really hammer your heads full of design this week. They're here for the whole week. As I always tell my students on Saturday, you're going to blow my mind with your work. I know you two will because you're so good. Alrighty. Best thing about the class?
Oh, I think the atmosphere and the group of people, I guess we were just lucky.
Yeah, I always get nice people in my school. It
Yeah,
does.
well, that's good.
It somehow draws really lovely people. That's why people want to hire you, because we used to get like people who didn't make it in beauty school. They went to the flower shop, but they were dropped out, or bartending school. But that's changed because now everybody has flowers in their home, and it's a much bigger business than it was 25 years ago when everybody was a beauty school dropout. So people want to get in the business now. And there's a lot of flowers. Look at my camera, won't leave those. They're so pretty. Same exact flowers, and you should see them in the camera. They're very kind of different
Yes.
in a way, even though they're the same flower. So you're driving home tonight, an hour and a half?
Yes.
That's too far.
We're coming back.
And they'll be here all week. On Saturday, you're going to do a wedding. I'm going to throw flowers at you. You're going to do a wedding. And I'm going to go, oh my God. All right. Well, signing off from Miami. And keep blooming.